In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your favorite song and music as a ringtone on your Android device. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. First, what we have to do, we have to open our settings of our Android, and then we click on sound and vibration. And once you open it in that moment, you should click on ringtone. Here on ringtone, choose the SIM card that you want to change the ringtone of it. For example, I have two. I will change for this one. You have to click on the plus icon in the top of the corner of the screen like this, and it's going to take you to your playlist. So here, search for your favorite music. For example, I will just select, for example, a random song, for example this one, and when you finish, click on done, and that's all. If you find guys this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and